Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to present my project titled Development of a Web-based Meeting Room Booking System for Lecturers at Kolej Vokasional Kangar. Before I begin, I would like to introduce my group member and our project supervisor. Our project member is me, Nurin Atirah binti Shahrudin Shah, and my friend Wan Amar Haikal bin Wan Muhammad Hafizi. And our project supervisor is Puan Safiah binti Zukri. Meeting rooms are essential facilities that are frequently used by lecturers for discussions, meetings, and academic purposes. Proper booking management is very important to ensure the smooth using of these rooms. Therefore, a web-based booking system is proposed to simplify and improve the booking process. Currently, the meeting room booking process at Kolej Vokasional Kangar is still conducted manually. Lecturers need to check availability through written records or by asking certain staff members. This makes it difficult for them to determine whether a room is available or not. There are several problems identified in current system. First, overlapping booking often occur because there is no centralized system to manage room schedule. Second, lecturers cannot check room availability in real time. Lastly, there are situations where booked rooms are used by others without the lecturer's knowledge. The objectives of this project are: first, to design a user-friendly interface that allows lecturers to make bookings easily and systematically. Second, to develop a web-based system where lecturers can log in, select the date, time, and room, and receive automatic booking confirmation. Third, to test the system to ensure it functions accurately, runs smoothly, and is user-friendly. This project is important because it simplifies the booking process, make room management more organized, save time, and help the administration monitor room usage more efficiently. This system is developed specifically for lecturers and administrators at Kolej Vokasional Kangar. It is limited to use within the college environment. Administrators are responsible for managing rooms and booking information, and the system focuses only on meeting rooms booking. This project uses Agile methodology. Agile allows flexible and interactive development. It also supports continuous improvement based on user feedback. The phase involves planning, design, development, testing, implementation, and evaluation. In the planning phase, data was collected using Google Form among lecturers. Initial ideas were sketched using wireframe. The system was designed using DFT, ERD, and flowchart to illustrate the system process and data flow. The system was developed based on the purpose design using PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The system was tested to ensure all functions operate correctly and are free from errors. The system was deployed using web hosting so that it can be used by real users. User feedback was collected using Google Form for continuous system improvement. This project applies digital solution to replace manual method. It features a user-friendly interface and an organized booking schedule display. It also integrates booking and room checking function into one platform. In terms of innovation, this system introduced a web-based solution specifically for the college, reduce booking conflicts, improve efficiency, and support digital transformation in educational institutions. The novelty of this system lies in its ability to integrate both room availability checking and booking function into a single web-based platform. It also provides a visual and well-organized booking schedule display, which helps to prevent overlapping reservations. In addition, this system is specifically designed to meet the meeting room management needs at Kolej Vokasional Kangar. Overall, it supports more systematic and efficient booking process compared to the traditional manual method. This system has strong potential for commercialization. It can be used by vocational college and other education institutes as a meeting room booking management system. Furthermore, it can be developed into a complete room management product for organization or administrative department. In the future, the system can also be enhanced with additional features such as automatic notification and room usage report. In conclusion, the web-based meeting room booking system was successfully developed and has achieved its objective. The system solves issues related to manual booking, such as overlapping reservation and time waste. The booking process is now more systematic and efficient. Lecturers can easily check room availability in real time and make bookings independently without relying on manual process. This system has strong potential for continuous use at Kolej Vokasional Kangar. Finally, further improvement can be made to enhance the system in the future. That's all from me now. For the project function demonstration, I would like to hand over the presentation to my group member, Wan Amahika. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Amahaka Biwamafisi from Kolej Vokasional Kangar. This is our project, the Smart Meeting Room Booking System. It replaced the old manual booking process with a fast digital solution. This is the dashboard. It shows live booking statistic and chart. Everything update automatically here. Okay, now this is the calendar that show all booking by dates. User can book a room directly from here. So this is the date that the user already booked. Okay, now this is the booking list. Show all reservations. Admin can approve or deny. If denied, a reason is emailed to the user automatically. So this is the reason why you got denied, and it will automatically go to the user email. Okay, so this is our key feature, the waiting list. If a slot is taken, a user join a queue. When it open up, the next person get notified by email automatically. So if you book and the date is already occupied, it will put you inside this waiting list. Okay, so now for the meeting room, you can choose here. You can choose book now, and it will automatically choose a room for you. And as an admin, you can manage the room. You can edit here if you want, or you can add a new room. Okay, so now this is the system user list that already has registered in the system by admin. Okay, and this is the register new user for the admin to register the lecturer. Okay, and we also have dark mode and light mode, also a bilingual, multi-language. We support English and Bahasa Melayu. Okay, so this is a holiday and public holiday calendar. So admin can choose to close the room at the specific date if they got renovation or any public holidays. So, in conclusion, our system eliminates double booking, saves time, and make room management transparent and efficient. So that's all. Thank you. Terima kasih.